Hey there, Sugar Pies. How we doing? How we feeling? Happy Saturday to y'all. Oh my gracious, y'all. It has been a rough day today. I filmed my PJs and Coffee Time video not only once but twice because I just kept messing up. Well, I say messing up. My allergies have been really bad. It's really windy here today and cold. And so I've been, like, my throat's been scratchy. I just randomly start coughing and, like, it's just been a bad day, okay? And this lighting kind of sucks right now, so y'all forgive me. I'm actually filming on my phone because I left my camera and I wasn't going to go back and get it because I am running behind schedule. I'm actually headed over to Fatima's to have a couple of my locks touched up. Okay, why am I all twisted up here? I have a couple of locks that are coming a little bit unraveled. I'm not sure. I think it's just, my hair is it's not like kinky. So for it to grab onto like my hair, I think it's where the problem is. My hair tends to be a lot more slippery. It's thick, but it's very fine. Like it's like the texture of my hair. Nails are totally whacked right now. Like I am a hot mess. I'm literally a hot mess. Bought myself a new mug. Y'all, I freaking love it. You guys will see it in the PJs and Coffee Time video. Yeah, absolutely love it. And it's just been a crazy day, y'all. It really has. And it's like I don't feel good. I stayed up way too late last night. I was hanging with my girl. Like we had some fun. We like sat in the restaurant and talked. We had dinner, sat in the restaurant, talked for probably, I think we walked out of the restaurant like close to 9, and then we ended up standing outside by the car for about an hour and a half talking, and then we sat inside of her car and talked until like 1:30 in the a.m. Y'all. That's why I tell ya, I can't have y'all up in my business because we go into some deep things. And then she called today. We talked like another hour on the phone. Like that's how close we are. We just have so much to share. And we, you know, with us, we have such a judgment-free zone that we don't, you know, it's just we're able to just unleash emotions. And so that's what we were doing last night. And just, I don't know, it was just a beautiful experience. And it's when I leave from being around her, I just feel so free and refreshed. So yeah, so it was beautiful. And then like today, okay, somebody needs to go, lady, come on, we got all day. So today I'm kind of like I'm tired because I didn't get enough sleep. Because I got into bed I think like at 2 o'clock or 2:30 or somewhere in there, and then I got up. I didn't get up until like 9-ish, I guess, which was later than what I wanted to sleep, but I still didn't get enough sleep, if you know what I mean. So I'm like running on like, I don't know, like, and I have a long night ahead of me, so I don't know, y'all. But I did my little makeup a little bit. I didn't do a whole lot. Like, I kind of been liking this look, y'all, where I'm just, okay, now the sun's getting ready to get in my eyes. I kind of like this look. It's where I kind of, like, okay, now you can't see my makeup. But, okay, the look, okay. I'm not wearing any eyeliner because, like, seriously, like, I just seem to tear it all up and it gets all droopy and runny underneath my eyes. Come on, like light. So I didn't wear it one day and I just put the eyeshadow underneath my eyes and I was like, hey, now I kind of like this look. So I've been going with it lately. That's been my new look and I just really, really like it. I just put it's not a highlighter, but I used a shimmer light color, and then I put the like a darker color like on the side, and I just kind of like it. Like, I mean, I'm like talking about it, you guys can't see it. I don't know if you can even see it in this mirror because I feel like, okay, what's the speed limit? I think it's like only 45 through here, which really suck. So let me slow my bum down. They put more houses in this, I'm cruising on a back road, and they put more houses back here, and then they shorten the speed limit. But I'm like, why? Because it's not like the houses are like right on the street. They're in their own subdivisions, which it blows my mind as to why they lowered the speed limit. It's like, you need to increase the speed limit because it means there's more traffic, and like give people a free range to drive and not be like just like creeping along and, you know, keep the flow of traffic going. But nonetheless, the speed limit has been lowered, and so yeah. So anyway, I am gonna get off, and I'm just gonna kind of relax and drive. Like I said, my throat has been like kind of like scratchy, so I'm kind of feeling like I'm getting ready to start coughing. So I need to get off right now, and I'll chat with you guys a little bit later.
How many months? I think they were out there for about 2 months. It could have been that long. This is about to be my second job. Right? 45,000 is somebody's salary.
Yeah.
They took it home and they done. Like technically, there is no taxes, no nothing like. Oh.
That's why the captain makes so much, because he's out there. Can make or break you.
All right, chicken pies. So a lot has happened since I last chatted with you all. I did get my hair twisted up in the spots that were loose, so she did fix those. And I forgot, I was gonna ask her to take out my little things, and I forgot to ask her because I was rushing at the very end. So she fixed a couple little ones that had gotten loose, and I'm loving it all over again. Well, I never stop loving it. My hair is, like I said, it's the texture of my hair that it's hard to stay twisted because it's like straight-ish hair and not kinky enough. But she's like, no worry, I will take care of you. I will keep you beautiful. So I love her so much. She's just like an amazing person. I love her so much. But we are headed out tonight. I mentioned that it was going to be a date night Saturday night. We're headed out to see his son's band play, and I don't know what else is going to be transpiring tonight, but I was thinking it's supposed to be at 9, so I thought I had one time, and then he told me it was going to be at 8. So then I'm at her place, like trying to, like, I'm at a panic because I'm like, oh my god, hurry up, and then I'm rushing, and then I get back home and find that it's at 9 after all. So we got good time, but I feel very anxious because I'm rushing, but still not feeling my greatest. These allergies, it's the oak. I know that's what it is, but the oak is really getting to me today. Like, I just want to just really curl up in a bed and go to sleep because my throat is hurting. I feel very itchy and scratchy and just but I'm trying to pretend like everything's happy. Y'all like my big old loopy earrings today? I decided to wear something a little bit more loopy. Y'all know I change it up every once in a while. So anywho, I am gonna get off for now, and I got me some okay, this is my snack, y'all. Why is this thing doing this? Like, I hate when this, okay, get off. I don't know what makes it does that. But I got me a little snack because I haven't had any food this evening. So anyway, I'm gonna snack on this as we drive, and I will chat with you guys a little bit later. So we're outside. It's very, very cold out here.
I don't even know what the next one is. This is a cool story. This is one of my favorite songs by Child. It's a story about him in high school. Pull up. 1988, senior year, they called me high. For all the guys are horny, but the girls are bad as fly. Lounging with the tipster, cooling with shot, scoping out the honey. They know who they are. I was the b-ball player, fly around saying, fly girl in it. But never was a sweat. Since when you came to honeys, I was always strong. Until I met my man, what's her name? Her name was Slow. Yo, I met this girl with the one call. All the troopers run away, used to call her at home. Believe that in my heart, I knew that flow was good to go. Cause I thought it was me, like Belleville to the boat. Little did I know that they was playing with my mind. The only thing I found out, good girls is hard to find. I feel like heavy D, I need somebody for me. Not someone whose mind is blank and trying to juice me for my bank. Swinging with my man, lucky behind my back. What type of crap is that? Your house about to smack. Word life, I can't front. Thought I was all that. And now it seems I'm in my match.
Okay, so we're back home. Want a sneak preview of my chairs. They're being painted. from a lighter brown to a darker brown. I don't know if you guys remember seeing the video where, like past videos where you may have seen the patio furniture, but they were a lighter, like just that normal wicker color brown. And now they're gonna be a chocolate, deep chocolate brown. I absolutely love them. So it's a process, but they're getting there. So yeah. It is so freaking cold out there. It's unreal how cold it is tonight. But yeah, so home now. And this is gonna be kind of a short vlog actually, because I haven't really done very much vlogging. Why do I look so red? Is it like the camera or what? But yeah, so home and getting ready to, oh, the heater was still going.
No, I just turned it on.
Oh, okay. Gonna get ready to edit my video before I go to bed. Okay, the lighting, I don't know if it's this camera. Maybe it's just, I don't know. I'm trying to find a good spot, y'all. Lighting sucks right about now. I look super red. Like, I don't know if it's the camera or what, but I look like I've been baking in the sun or something all day. But yeah, so we're back home, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog because I do wanna get my video uploaded tonight, so it'll be up and ready for you guys to go tomorrow. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I apologize, it was a very, very short vlog, but you know, sometimes that's just how it rolls. I'll see you guys in my very next video.